Hello everyone! Today I'm back with another grocery haul. Today at the grocery store, I spent $60.35. Total savings was $5. Yay. This was a medium-sized grocery trip, I'd say. Got a lot of good stuff. So, here we go. Got a bag of yellow potatoes, tortilla chips, frozen veggies, veggies. These are not veggies. This is fruit. Frozen fruit. 2 things of chocolate. I got some pasta, so rotini and fettuccine. 2 things of tofurkey. Also, tofurkey changed their packaging, and I'm actually loving it. It's so cute. Also, funny side note, you can tell how long I've been vegan now because tofurkey has changed their packaging. I think at least 2, maybe 3 times since I went vegan. They're changing their packaging like once a year. Go out there, tofurkey, do you. Light soy sauce, seasoned rice wine vinegar, or I guess it's just rice vinegar. Pasta sauce, salsa, bread, tortillas. Now we're getting into the vegetable section. I think everything here forward is vegetables, so. 2 things of green onions, garlic, carrots, kale, spinach, a cucumber, red leaf lettuce, broccoli, mushrooms, zucchini, ginger root, smelling fabulous, bananas, celery. I swear, celery might be one of my favorite vegetables. Onions, tomatoes, and some lemons. And that is my grocery haul for this week. I feel like I got a fair amount of stuff for $60. This should get us through the week, with the exception of a couple, like, I don't know. Sometimes we'll go out to get like a Gatorade or something to go with dinner, but I don't count that in this because that's like an extra thing. But this is a pretty basic, you know, grocery run and should get us through the week with the staples we have, like beans, rice. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Hope you got some ideas, seeing what those other vegans are out there getting for their groceries. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, leave me a comment, thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.